Yes.
You're good right
Yeah.
now.
Okay. Thank you very much, Goran. Well, in this week, my demonstration is about conditional formatting too. Here we have some of our order numbers and lead and time. Order, quantity, par, classification, and we have ordering from a vendor. I select, in this case, I select all the lead time. Here I select all the column, and after I need to go to conditional formatting. I want to show you something called data bars. Data bars is here. Data bars is here. We have two options, gradient fill, solid fill, and more rules. Okay, I want to select in this time a gradient fill, the first option, blue data bar. Yeah, and notice that those lead time that are lower have smaller bars, and those ones that are larger have larger bar. For example, larger bar here is the number 16. And the lower bar are the number 2. And the large bar are the number 16. You can see here that the lead time 16 is shown as a bar going all the way across the cell. Look here, across the cell. And that's because 16 is the highest lead time in the list of items here. When create the conditional format, it automatically recognizes that 16 was the maximum, and number 0 is apparently the minimum. We have here, for example, the number 1, no, is the minimum, but obviously the 0 is the minimum number. And so it scales each one of the formatted cells somewhere between 0 and according to value of the lead time. Let's take a look at another one. In this case, I want to select this column, price column. Here I select all the column, and I need to go to conditional formatting another time, and we are going to color scales. Color scales is here. Here we have all the options for color scales. So the way color scale work is it change the color of each cell according to its relative value in the list. The most common is the first one, green, yellow, red color scale. But I'm going to choose it in reverse order. Here with red, yellow, red in the top, yellow in the mid, and green color scale in the bottom. Okay, I select this one, and we can see that when I do that, the price change the color in the different cells. It makes the most expensive items red. Here we have the most expensive, here too, here. And the cheapest items green. For example, we have here in the cell here, and here too. So the lowest value will be the greenest value, and the highest value will be the reddest. In this case, we have the reddest, $98.25. Okay, and the lowest here, the more lowest is here, is $5.29, 29 cents dollars, okay? And everything in between with some shade of a spectrum between red and green. This conditional formatting is very useful in daily life, especially when we have the opportunity to work in an office with a lot of different persons, with different, maybe we have select different orders, price, lead time. This is my demonstration in this week about conditional formatting too. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. So I'm going to share my screen as well. Okay. This week also I'm going to do the conditional format too, like that show. Okay, so like yeah, we'll copy this somewhere, probably this right here. Okay. Okay. Um, I'm going to do the conditional format too for probably like the delta bars or the color scales. But I'm going to use the minute rules. Okay, I will select. I'm going to do the new rule, and just right here, you can see that I'm going to use a format to determine which process to format. I'm going to use probably like light color. Right here. Um, sorry. Okay, probably the easy one first. I'm going to use this right here to say like blue delta bar to add color, delta bar to present the volume in cell. Okay, so the volume in cell, you can see that $1 is the highest price for all of items, and the second price going to be um, is going to be the book for 50 cents. And right now I'm going to use like this for the new rule. I'm going to determine, okay, going to for book. Okay, book. So also beside using the bar, you can use um, the icon as well from the icon scale. Okay, you can, if you want to use like this or like this to see, like to put something. And also you can change the icon. You can see right here color for the icon, and you can put a volume or 10%. So example, if I want to use this icon, just go to conditional formatting and select on the icon sets, So I'm going to use probably the sharpens. Okay. So this is what I have for this week demonstration as well. Well,
Okay.
so
Thank
yep.
you, Ram, for your demonstration.